Hello, today I'm in BMW M8. In this video I will show you how to find and manage touchpad settings. In the beginning, let's take a look at the screen display and go to Car. Enter Settings, General Settings, Touchpad, and now you can enable touchpad for character input, map, search fields, and audio confirmation. Basically, it means that for character input, you'll be able to, for example, write the characters on the touchpad and it will be recognized on the screen display. In the map, you'll be able to change the map position on the touchpad. In search field, you'll be able to write the characters in the search field, and in audio confirmation, you'll be able to type letters for confirmation. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like, comment and subscribe.